Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Let's look at the updates that made the headlines today. Rescue teams are racing against time to save 40 workers trapped in an under-construction tunnel on the Char Dham all-weather highway in Uttarkashi. NDRF, SDRF, ITBP and BRO are coordinating efforts, but loose debris is slowly progressing. Oxygen and food supplies are being sent to the workers as contact is maintained via walkie-talkies. Completion of the tunnel will cut travel distance between Uttarkashi and Yamunotri by 26 km. Rescue may take another day. Dabur Group's Mohit V. Burman and director Gaurav V. Burman along with 30 others are named in the Mumbai police FIR for the Mahadev betting app case. The Burman family dismisses the allegations, calling the FIR false and baseless. Bollywood actor Sahil Khan is also among those named. Following Diwali festivities, Delhi claims the third spot in the list of the top 10 most polluted cities in India. The Central Pollution Control Board's data on November 13 reveals a concerning trend, with no city showing severe air quality. However, 53 cities reported very poor, 85 cities poor and 75 cities moderate air quality. Only 32 out of 242 cities fell within the satisfactory to good range. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi alleges that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah stole government by buying Congress MLAs in Madhya Pradesh. Referring to the 2020 rebellion that led to the collapse of the Kamal Nath government, Gandhi claimed BJP crushed the voice of the masses. He vows Congress will chase away BJP in Madhya Pradesh. In response, Shivraj Singh Chauhan dismisses Gandhi's visit as an entertainment. Chennai braces for torrential showers on November 14 and 15 with temperatures ranging from 24 Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius. On November 16, expect a partly cloudy sky with a chance of moderate rain or thunderstorms and temperatures between 25 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. Residents and authorities are urged to stay informed and prepare for potential challenges during the heavy rain. Plan activities accordingly to address the expected weather conditions. Former Congress President Sonia Gandhi, advised by doctors due to the respiratory problems, will temporarily relocate to Jaipur to escape Delhi's severe air pollution. The air quality index for Delhi reached 375, which is severe, while Jaipur recorded 72, which is moderate. Rahul Gandhi, addressing rallies in election-bound states, plans to visit his mother in Jaipur on Tuesday night before continuing his schedule in Chhattisgarh and returning to Jaipur for rallies on Thursday. Amid tensions over the Niger killing, India sternly requests Canadian PM Trudeau to curb Khalistani extremists misusing freedom of expression. In response to the threats against Air India flights and Indian diplomats, India delivers a strong message during the Universal Periodic Review. Diplomat Mohammad Hussain calls on Canada to enhance its domestic framework to control extremist elements exploiting freedom of expression for inciting violence. Karnataka BJP MP Ramesh Jagajinagi sparks controversy, stating, "A Dalit cannot grow within the BJP." His remarks comes days after B.S. Yediyurappa's son B.Y. Vijayendra was appointed as the state BJP unit's chief. Jagajinagi suggests that the High Command, not state party leaders, named Vijayendra. "If you are a Dalit, you won't get an opportunity to grow within the BJP," he asserts during a media address in Vijayapura. To tackle motorists manipulating or masking their vehicle number plates to evade surveillance cameras, Bengaluru Traffic Police is set to file cheating cases. With the widespread use of surveillance cameras and AI-based enforcement systems since July 2022, authorities aim to curb violations and enforce traffic laws more effectively. The producers of the biographical war film Pippa issued an apology following criticism of A.R. Rahman's rendition of Bengali poet Nazrul Islam's song Karar Oy Loho Kopat. The statement, posted on Instagram by Roy Kapoor Films on Monday, expresses regret, saying, "Our interpretation has hurt sentiments or caused unintended distress. We offer our sincere apologies." The controversy arose over Rahman's rendition for the war drama, prompting the production house to address the concerns. Following a lackluster performance at the One-Day International Cricket World Cup 2023, the Pakistan cricket team is set to dismiss its entire coaching staff, including Mickey Arthur. Despite being ranked among the top teams in ICC rankings, the Babar Azam-led squad finished 5th in the points table and faced widespread criticism for their subpar display. Calls for removing Babar Azam from captaincy have also surfaced. A recent report indicates a sweeping change in the coaching staff in response to the World Cup debacle. Well, that's it for today. For more latest news and updates, you know what to do. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.